All right, let's play the natural minor scale in the key of A today, and I'm going to show you a really quick way to also see its relative. Let's play C chord. C is our major chord. The minor relative is A minor. So that's the sound of the relative connection there. Minor, it's major relative. So we can kind of get that in our head. So today, I'm going to play the A natural minor scale. A minor. That's the sound of it. That's one octave. Let's go octave number 2. I'm going to end on this A note on the 5th fret of little E. That's one octave. There's the second octave. I can keep going to grab this B and C note. But watch this. Now I'm on this C note. I'm on the 8th fret of the E string. Now I'm going to walk back down. Now as I go back down through this minor scale, you just heard it. I hear a major scale in there. So that's it, everybody. When you're playing the natural minor scale on your guitar, if you're in standard tuning, the major relative starts on the G string right there. In this example, that's C. Here's its lower octave, C. So I've got C chord, and I've got a C scale, major scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job, everybody. That's C major scale. So note for note, when I come down, note for note, I play the A minor scale the whole time. So we almost have to think at the bottom of our A minor bar chord scale, all this so to speak. This is our A minor. But those notes are in C major the whole time. You just kind of start in a different note. You don't start on the A, you start on the C. So many ways to think about it. So the relative, as you play, when you get to here, you're in a C major scale. Just wanted to show you that. It's something to start thinking about. Let's move up one whole step to B. Let's make B minor, and let's play B minor scale. Keep going. And I'm on a D note. D, D, D string, D chord. So when I get to this D right here, that's my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's my D major scale. And if I walk it down, right to its minor relative. So start incorporating that to your musical vocabulary. You'll find this little major scale is very beneficial. It's a cool pattern. It's a nice box to be in when you're soloing and just noodling on the guitar. And if you want to walk it back down, you'll always know where you're going to end. You're going to end on its minor relative. Now, I hope that tip helped you today. I enjoy giving you any tip I can on the guitar. Stay tuned. There's going to be hundreds more. See you soon.